Okay, if you're watching this video, you're on to the third layer. So that means you have the top and the middle solved. All right, here we go. So now what I'm going to do is I have my cube, I have my green side up. Now what I'm going to do is flip it over. This one has the most scenarios possible. So what does that mean? First, I'm going to try to get this blue cross. Okay, you may say to yourself, well, we already have the blue cross. That's great. What do? There's some different scenarios, and I'm going to try to show you all those different scenarios. Scenario 1, you have a blue cross, but your sides, no matter how much you turn the top, don't orient correctly. Okay. Scenario number 2 would be an L. Scenario number 2 would be a straight line, or I'm sorry, this is scenario number 3. Okay, solving the top dot. All right, I'll start with this one because as I progress through all of the ways to, or through solving this, it's going to give me every single scenario you could run into. So here we go. For solving this, I have a white face facing me. It doesn't really matter which one, but this is my face. These are my sides. This is my top. All right, I turn the face right, turn the right up, turn the top left, turn the left down, turn the top back, turn the face down. What? So many steps, I know. But if you can memorize this one, then you can figure out how to get your blue cross. All right, here we go. Scenario number 2 would be an L. Okay, I want this L facing towards the right, and then I'm simply going to repeat that step over again. Turn the right, turn the face right, turn the right up, turn the top left, turn the right down, turn the top back. There's my green, turn the face left. Whew. All right, there we go. Now we have our straight line. Now I'm going to turn the cube so that the straight line is parallel to me. Okay, I have a straight line right across there. And here we go. Remember, I turn the face right. So turn the face right, turn the right up, turn the top right, bring the right back down, bring the top back, and turn the face down, or turn the face left, which brings that top back down. So now I still have my green, still have my second layer, and boom, there is my cross. Okay, those are all the different scenarios you may get in the front. You may get a dot, you may get an L, you may get a line, or you may get this cross. Now, I'm gonna guess that this cross is not right. Okay, so you see I have one yellow matching. If I turn it, I have none. Turn it again. I have none. One. Turn it again. Oh, here we go. So now I have 2 matching. There's 2 different scenarios I can get here. Either way, they still have the same algorithm to solve them. Okay? So if I have this scenario with a white down and an orange down, I turn this corner to the back left. Okay? If I have a scenario where this one matches and this one matches, I keep them on the outsides. Okay? So if it's a corner, 2 of them are side by side that match, I turn them to the back left. If they're opposite of each other, I put them on the opposites and on the outside. Okay. The good thing is there are really only 2 more algorithms to solve this entire cube. All right, here we go. All right, the algorithm for solving this part of the cube goes like this. I turn the right up, I turn the top twice, I turn the right down, I turn the left or top back, turn the right up again, top back, and down. Okay, where does that put me now? Well, now what I have to do is I have to spin the cube, and now I have a right, yellow, a red, yellow, orange, white. Boom. Now I have my blue cross on the top. If that didn't happen for you, then we might have missed one of the steps. Then you might have missed one of the steps within the algorithm. Okay? So here we are on some of the final steps of solving the top. What do we need to do? Well, I need a yellow, orange, and blue piece in this section, and right now I have a red, yellow. So that one's wrong. Now I have a yellow, orange here. That one's wrong. White, orange here. That one's wrong. And white, red here. That one's wrong. So what do? Okay, so with this final algorithm, I'm going to be trying to flip these cubes and move them around without moving the cross. So how do I do it? I do it with this algorithm right here. Okay, keep it facing you, and that will keep you from getting lost in this algorithm. Left, up, top, right, right, up, top, back, or left, left, down, top, right, right, down. Okay, so as you can see, now I still have my cross in the middle, and I go around. This one's not right, this one's not right, this one's not right, but this one is. Okay, now this is very important. Each time you have to check to see, now I have this one correct. Not only is it in the right spot, but it's flipped the right way. You may get a scenario in which it's in the right spot, but it's not flipped the right way. Either way, if you get one of them correct, make sure that correct one is in the front right side before you repeat your algorithm. So I'm going to repeat the same algorithm with this square in the front right. Left up, top right, right up, top back, left down, top right, and down. I'm going to bring that right down. And now I just spin the top. All I have to do is spin the top left one time. Boop. And there I am. I'm oriented correctly again. So don't panic if you get here and these don't match. Just tip them. Turn them. Okay. Whoa. Here I am. With just that one algorithm, now I have them in the right spot. You may not get this scenario, and I'll walk you through all the different scenarios you may get. So what I'm going to do is move to the scenarios that you may get, and then I'm going to build up from there. Okay, so if I get this orientation right here, what I'm going to be doing is essentially now I have one algorithm to solve the rest of the cube, but what I have to do is change how I'm holding the cube depending on what problem the cube gives me. Okay, so right now I essentially have three that are in the right space but flipped wrong way, and I have one that's in the right space and it's flipped the right way. So I want to have that one that's turned and done correctly. I want to have it on the left side. So here we go. Here is our final algorithm. I go right up, turn the top right twice, right down, turn the top back, right up, turn the top back again, turn the right down. Now I do the exact same thing on the opposite side with one small difference. Left up, turn the top back twice, turn the top twice. Now I drop the left side back down, turn the top again to the right. So that's one, two, and now a third time to the right. Now I bring this left side back up. I turn the top again to the right, and now I've lined these greens back up, drop it back in, and now I should have this scenario. 1 and 2 are correct, but 1 and 2 are not correct. Okay, so remember, same algorithm, change how you orient the cube. So all I do is I take my cube and I spin it so that this blue is facing to my right. Okay, so you can see I want it in the back corner and I want it facing to the right. So I want to make sure I have blue facing right in the back corner. all I do is the same algorithm again. So this is great practice. Right up, turn the top twice. Right down, top back, so top to the left. Right up, top back, down. Do the same thing on the other side. Left up, turn the top twice, bring the left down, keep the right spinning the same way, turn the top to the right, turn the left up, spin the top one more time, left down, and there we are. We are to our final scenario. Okay, so if you made it to this far, congratulations. You may have two in the right spot, but they're oriented out. If you have 4, great job, you're there. If you have 4, what you're looking for is this. You're looking for the blue to match on the outside, right? So my blue should match right here on the outside. So what I'll do is I'll change this cube so that it has 4 matching, so that way I can show you how to solve if you have all 4. I have all 4, and I have my 2 different scenarios. They're all oriented correctly, and the thing I'm looking for is this. I want the blues to be opposite, and the blues to be the same. Okay, so if they're both opposite, that's fine. If they're both on the outside, that's fine. All it changes is how many times I'm going to repeat the algorithm. Okay, so I have the 4 corners are all on the right side. They all have their blues that are identical, right? So my blue is front and back, boom. My blue are both on the outside. So if you're looking at it and you're going, well, they're all in the right spot, the blues are all on the sides, but this one, turn it. So that way you have blues and blues, okay? Now I'm just going to repeat my algorithm over and over and over to finish the cube. You ready? Blues. I'm going to solve this side first. So I start on this side. Right up, turn the top twice. 1, 2, turn the right down, turn the top back, turn the right up, turn the top back again, turn the right down. Okay, boom. Now I go to my left side. Left up, turn the top twice, left down, keep the top going in the same direction. Turn the top once, left up, turn the top again, left down. Okay, so you can see, oh no, I still have 4 unsolved. But you moved this step 1 step closer. Because if I have them on the outsides, I have to do that algorithm twice. But if they're right here on the sides, boom. Now I know I can solve this side, then I can flip it and solve this side. So whatever side's on the right, that's the side I'm solving. Are you ready? Here we go. Right up, turn the top twice, right down, turn the top back, right up, turn the top back, down. Okay, now I'm moving over to the left side. Left up, turn the top twice, left down, keep the top going in the right direction. Turn the top once, turn the left up, turn the top one more time, turn the left down, boom. Now I have solved this side. The only thing I have to do is solve this side over here. So remember, the algorithm stays the same, but how the cube is oriented changes. Okay, so now I'm solving the exact same thing I just did here, but now I'm doing it over here. So here we go again. Right up, turn the top twice, turn the right down, turn the left back. So on this side it goes back once, right up, back again, right down. Now we come over to the left side. Left up, turn it twice, left down, turn it again the same way, left up, here it goes, turn the top to the right, left down, and there it is. You have a fully formed Rubik's Cube. Okay. If you're at a sticking point, if there's some part of this video that moved too fast or whatever, let me know and I'll try to break down each point better And maybe I'll even, if there's some difficult ones that I see a bunch of people are struggling with, maybe I'll go back and just video those difficult parts.